Dubai BizConnect is transforming into a community of business entrepreneurs, people who are with like-mindedness and who wants to mutual benefit exchanged. Yes, what a great smart BizConnect meeting we just witnessed.
Wonderful attending the Dubai BizConnect meet today. It was a wonderful event and it is a great platform for entrepreneurs, enterprises and all the organizations and businesses to have a great network and a great platform to be together.
Today, the Dubai BizConnect Grand Meeting was amazing. And all those entrepreneurs, all the sponsors, and all the visitors and members had an amazing time, fire time of business.
I came to this Dubai BizConnect meeting for this big event. It was amazing. Entrepreneurs joined together and connect with all the people and among all entrepreneurs. It was very amazing event I attended.